The following is a short tutorial on how to assess assignments that have been handed in through the assignment Dropbox folder. So if you've created a quick link inside of your news feed, you can just click on this and that will bring you directly to where you need to be. However, if you did not do that, you can drop down class tools and go to your Dropbox. And when you do that, you're going to see their categories and the assignments. So this is the assignment I want to assess. You'll see it gives me total submissions. It gives me outline of what I've done. So I'm just going to click on this. And I only have one student in this class, but if I had all students, my whole class list would appear here, and everyone that has submitted something would appear. So I'm just going to take you through this. You can see there's a student name. If we click on this, that's what allows us to assess it. This is Turnitin, and you can see that it's 100% plagiarized, which is right because I took it right from the internet. And if you click on that red square, it will take you to Turnitin. And when you're inside of Turnitin, this is actually where it will show you where all the information is coming from. So you can see in this menu that if I click on this, it will tell me where that has been submitted from. But I'll create another tutorial on that for you. So the next thing it does is it tells you submission date and where you can delete it. But if we want to assess this, all we need to do is click on the file. So by clicking on the file, you're going to see that it opens in a new window. So as you can see, you can just view this PDF. It was a Word document or Google Slides, whatever it was. You could view it in here. And when you're ready to assess, you just scroll down. If you attached a rubric, it would be here and you could just click on it and it would give you radio buttons that you could just click on each category. You can also add a score in because we've said we want to mark it out of 100. We can just stick that in there. You can give written feedback, so you could go in here and write whatever feedback you want. Another nice feature is you could record audio feedback. You could even record video feedback if you wanted to, and then you just submit it and attach it and it would pass that on to the student. And when you are done assessing it and doing what you need to do, you can just hit publish and the student will now have that in their folder. And it will also go on to another student, so you can see that this is done. And so if I was to go back into my Dropbox now, and I went into natural disasters projects, you're going to see in here that instead of saying evaluate up here, now it said that it's published. That means the student now has access to it. So that's a short tutorial on how to assess using the Dropbox assignments folder.